So today's activity, we actually started with like a tote bag making so the participants could unleash their creativity and also write some eco messages on repurposed rice sacks that will be used as tote bags that will be placed outside like supermarkets so that the public can use them instead of plastic bags.
Yeah, and on top of that, after the tote bag design, we went down to pick up trash from our shorelines.
We actually partnered with SG Beach Warriors who have been, pioneering the beach cleanup scene in like quite a few years. And under their guidance, we managed to do the beach cleanup safely under the rocky shores.
I think I just hope people to have like an open mind and come down to have a look at our society and see what can be done to further help, and I'm sure that we all can play our part for the betterment of the society.
Hi everyone, we're from NUS Red Cross Youth here at the Community Service Festival Giving Marketplace with other 15 booths.
And today we are raising funds and awareness for NUS Red Cross Youth projects as well as recruiting volunteers. Thank you!
I came to this symposium because I am very much interested and very active in volunteering as well. And I really want to find out more ways on how to empower more people and build the community. One takeaway from this symposium that particularly resonates with me, it reminded me of a quote. We are not here because the world is broken. We are here because there is margin for growth. Listening to these speakers here basically brought me back to this particular quote, and that community engagement is not just about solving a problem or saving a person. It is about building communities and empowering people.